Hello everyone, welcome to this new podcast. We are in the episode 1 of this newer kind of a podcast. What's new about it? You will get to know more about this podcast. So, welcome you is me, Akash
Rajdeep.
and we both are basically recording this whole new thing, and we'll be discussing about various topics which are relevant to many and mostly relevant to many, right?
Mostly relevant to many.
Yeah.
Known to many as well. But satire is the key.
Yes, satire, maybe sarcasm, maybe, and many other things might also play a big role in our podcast. So today we were going to discuss about something very less discussed. Everyone talks about this मैरिज का लड्डू है ना,
Definitely.
कि लड्डू खाया और भैया आपका जो क्या कहते हैं उसे, जो खाए पछताए, जो ना खाए वो भी पछताए,
That's
है
true.
ना? तो ये जो बात आती है, ये इसमें खाए पछताए और ना खाए पछताए वाली जो बात है, तो इसमें खाए पछताए यहीं से शुरुआत करते हैं कि जो खा रहा है वो पछता क्यों रहा है. यू आर गेटिंग एवरीथिंग, लिटरली एवरीथिंग.
I think being the unmarried guy, I should ask you the question. But anyway, if you have proposed the topic, then please continue.
Okay, तो maybe I'll tell you about it कि क्या, क्योंकि see, this thing has got two parts to it. One is कि जो खाए पछताए, है ना. Later will come on जो ना खाए वो पछताए क्या है. तो जो खाए पछताए वो इसलिए क्योंकि whatever you wished for in your first half of your this thing, क्या कहते हैं, life, that has all come to you now.
Okay.
ठीक है,
Okay,
like
okay.
कर्मों का फल.
Okay.
ठीक है.
By the way, this is not him
Contemplating on my life.
him contemplating on his life and him manipulating me to get married. That's not the case. I think there are matrimonial websites, but we're just talking. All right.
Just
So
talking.
please don't get on our asses.
तो ये यार जो खा रहा है, जब सब कुछ मिल गया, अब आगे क्या? No one has taught us that.
Okay.
कि सब कुछ मिल गया.
Okay.
अब जब सब कुछ मिल जाएगा तो जो खाली दिमाग है, what will it do? It will शिकायत.
Yeah,
Okay.
I mean, yes, obviously. I mean, empty mind is just a playground for the devil, and I think most of the cases यही होता है. To be honest, because obviously you are contemplating a lot to happen. You have a fairy tale in your mind that शादी के बाद शायद ये होगा, शादी के बाद शायद वो होगा. घंटा कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. You are just getting into a monotonous life because आदत को पालना इतना आसान नहीं होता.
Are you calling wife आदत?
Sort of, yes. I mean, to spend your life with a person for 20, 30, maybe 40 years.
And this fucker is not married.
I'm not married
Yet.
but into enough relationships, I guess. But that's not the case. I mean, I'm just saying कि आदत को पालना एक बहुत ही, it's a very sacrosanct part of a relationship, any relationship. I mean, I have seen my parents. They are stuck with each other. I mean, I know because I have seen them fight. They fight like cats and dogs, but still they are together.
Who is the cat and who is the dog?
I don't wanna get into that part.
Man,
I
you
think
are
my
talking
mom,
about your
my mom has
parents.
my mom has the dog in her. I know. anyway, let's just move on from this conversation. But yes, I mean, adat.
They fight like anything, है ना?
Yeah, true.
They fight like there is no tomorrow. Today is the last day of their lives, and we must fight and discuss.
Yes. I mean, my father is a very calm guy. My mother is exactly the opposite. And when they fight, nobody is the calm guy anymore. Everybody has to save their egos. And I mean, what comes into play, I don't know. I'm not married yet. I will take that a lots of times because मैं मजे ले रहा है. But anyway, that's not the case. I think.
इसका फायदा भी होता है क्या? जैसे पेरेंट्स लड़ रहे हैं तो बीच में हम लोग फायदा उठा लेते हैं.
हाँ, मैंने बहुत उठाया है.
जैसे क्या किया था?
I mean, mom, dad, when they are fighting, you work like a messenger. If the fight is not because of you, you work like a messenger, all right. You just take something, it's like mummy said something, you tell it to papa, and papa said something, you tell it to mummy. And if you are intelligent enough, or if you are bartering enough, you will extort money from them because of that. According to the information, the type of information you are sharing, all right.
Okay.
So yeah, that's I think I have a stolen treat. I have like mediated in between them and stolen treats because of it. So yeah, pretty fucking amazing life. Yes.
but I think कि this part needs to be addressed कि coming back to the topic
Yes,
actually,
yes,
कि,
yes.
why do people complain so much after
True,
marriage?
true, true.
है ना? Why do they have to blame each other?
True.
है ना? कि इतना भी क्या बुरा हो रहा है?
हाँ, that
This is
is-
all what you wish for. Maybe you are married, तो maybe you have a job also. है ना?
True.
Before,
Yes,
before
yes,
marriage,
yes, yes.
India में तो you need to have a job.
Yes.
Before that, there is no marriage.
I mean, that's what we were talking like the last day with some other colleagues and all. So they were talking so much about कि this is not right, this is wrong. Some इसका भाव बढ़ गया है, इसका भाव कम हो गया है. I mean, and they are relating these sort of things, all things straight to their marriage and why this is not working perception. So that's what I wanted to talk about. I asked you back then as well, and that's what I wanted to talk about. Is there so many things to complain about? That's all I wanted to know. Because I am reading myself, but I should know. But yeah,
See, there will always be things to complain about.
True.
But after marriage, I think you find a solution to that.
okay.
To blame your wife or husband
Yeah,
for your
Blame game.
incompetence.
Blame game,
Incompetence.
my
है ना?
True,
तो why can't I speak incompetencies? Yeah.
Yeah.
So you have someone to blame, and if you people are mature enough, there will be no consequences of that.
True. Consequences. Big thing. Yeah.
है ना? क्योंकि I've been in relationships before my marriage also, not the क्या कहते हैं, not the very serious ones.
Okay.
है ना? But उनमें सबसे बड़ी जो बात थी, जो मेरी तरफ से जो रहता था, दूसरे की तरफ से जो भी रहता हो, let's not talk about other people. मेरी तरफ से जो रहता था कि अगर मुझे inconvenience हुआ, तो I can leave.
Yeah.
Totally, I can totally leave the thing and maybe never care about that.
True.
है ना? Never in my life I'll care about. Maybe
True.
some weaker moments will come and you'll say कि अरे यार phone कर लेते हैं, message
I
कर
mean,
लेते हैं.
that comes into everybody's life. I mean, weaker moments doesn't define you as a person. The stronger moments does. Maybe.
It's good, man.
I mean, but true. Good for the shit. Yeah. But anyway, that's not the case. You were telling.
So मतलब what was I saying?
कि the relationships you had and you became
हाँ,
moments and
तो
all.
मतलब sometimes I went back also and didn't find what I was looking for, and then maybe just
True,
left
true.
again.
Yes.
है ना? तो एक गाना नहीं है वो रंजिश ही सही दिल दुखाने के लिए लिया.
Yeah, I know.
तो maybe I was the one who was दिल दुखाएंग of the people, maybe, है ना? Maybe, just maybe, not here to look cool, but maybe this was the scenario, whole scenario.
Flex.
Maybe good flex, but okay.
Good flex, but okay.
No, but that's what I learned from those weaker, I'll say, relationships. कि you can always move out of the relationship.
Okay. Yeah.
But after marriage, क्योंकि आपका खर्चा इतना हो चुका है, क्योंकि you have spent
You
a
have
lot of
invested
money.
so much.
your money, है ना? Your family's money,
You're
your
just
money.
talking about the money part,
Yes,
not
yes,
the
yes, yes,
emotional
yes.
entanglements
No,
that you are having.
no,
Oh my god.
no. I'm talking about arranged marriages, bro.
See, that's a practical man right there sitting beside me.
If you
and
can
cooking for the World War III in his home. Obviously.
So मतलब you can मतलब obviously do things in a better way, maybe get married to the ones you love.
Yes.
And you have some kind of training beforehand कि भाई आगे क्या होने वाला है उसका आपको थोड़ा सा आइडिया होता
I
है.
mean, live in relationships and all.
Maybe.
I mean, minus the fun part, I guess.
Minus the fun part, yes. तो वही शादी के बाद you have to be there. You can never be alone as such.
True.
ठीक है?
Definitely.
If you are in one room and your counterpart or maybe your
Yes,
husband or
yes.
wife is in other room or maybe in the same city,
Yes.
you are not alone.
Yeah,
No?
true. Agreed.
not alone.
Agreed.
है ना?
100%. I mean, you have to call them. Otherwise, there are a lot mode of communication. You
Yes.
can just never be with yourself.
Yes.
That's a big thing.
I mean, before marriage, I thought कि ये एक बहुत बुरी चीज़ है,
True.
है ना? But now I think it's not that bad a thing.
Okay.
I find it cool. Okay, ठीक है. मेरे को कोई दिक्कत नहीं है खास.
हाँ.
कि हाँ, क्योंकि क्योंकि खर्चा बहुत हो गया.
I mean, if we are alone, like I have been, I'm staying alone in Dehradun for a very long time. I mean, I have seen how much money I spend in lost causes. All right. So, whoever says marriage is, it's an investment for obvious reasons. Like I have seen people spending lakhs and crores on a marriage ceremony and everything goes well. I mean, for them, I guess I'm not gonna complain. But the thing is, that's not probably the lost cause we talk about. All right, I think they have something to look forward to, and this, that, and that. So bachelor life has its own perks for obvious reasons. You are not taken to something, to anchored to something else. But again, carefreeing is all not all that good all the time. I mean,
Also, matlab, because you have segued it towards your case study,
case study.
if you may call it that, कि तुम पछता क्यों रहे हो भाई? तुमने नहीं खाया शादी का लड्डू, तुम पछता क्यों रहे हो? क्यों
Agree.
पछता? क्यों पछता?
ना, पछताना वही बात है ना कि it's not like पछताना. First thing first. It is like to tally do's and don'ts. What to do, मतलब pros and cons. All right. Pros and cons में क्या क्या हो रहा है, क्या क्या नहीं हो रहा है. All right. So pros and cons में अगर आप देखा जाए तो for obvious reasons I have not actively been participating into that. For obvious reasons तो pros और cons मेरे लिए अभी भी same ही है. कोई भी मुझे ये कन्विंस नहीं करवा पा रहा है कि नहीं प्रो ज्यादा है कौन ज्यादा. ऑब्वियसली माय मॉम इज सेइंग कि नहीं अभी तो जॉब लग शादी कर ले, नहीं करना भाई फॉर ऑब्वियस रीजंस.
पर आर यू मतलब कि पछताउइंग?
नो नॉट रियली आई मीन
जो ना खाए पछताए इज नॉट राइट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू?
I don't think so. There are a lot of people who will say that this is right. Not for me, not in my case study per se. But yeah, I like the perks that comes with. I don't. This is the statement where this says that I'm not really pachhtawing per se. I am just not contemplating the relationship or the marriage all of a sudden. All right.
But in maybe
in future
in
times.
a year or two, maybe you will get married.
Maybe. I don't know. I mean, I don't care. my mom is like, "Mar you to kar le." So that's a different. That's a peer pressure. But
that's not a good reason to get married, is it?
It's not actually. I mean,
what would be a good reason to get married?
I mean, अगर मेरा ये रीजन जो मैंने अभी दिया, इस रीजन में लोग शादी करते तभी लोग शायद बाद में जाके कंप्लेंट्स इतनी ज्यादा करने लगते हैं. एंड रियल कंप्लेंट्स, नॉट लाइक कि अरे फ्रिज खराब हो गए. ना नॉट सॉर्ट दिस सॉर्ट. It's like I take real life examples, man. But the thing is, for obvious reasons, कि अगर मेरे पास कोई substantial reason नहीं है, what is the good reason to marry? That's a very big thing to ask. I don't think love itself is the reason for marrying.
Reason enough?
No, it's a reason. It's not a reason enough. I feel like because obviously, otherwise, the institution of arranged marriage, it shouldn't have worked from the first place.
Is it working? Do you think it's working?
I mean, for a lot of people, yes. I mean, I have seen people in a love marriage. Like I had a brother in my colony who got married, and then he got divorced in 2 months. There was a love marriage. Then the lady, his wife, he is like कि नहीं भाई उसके मम्मी पापा की केस कर दिया, ऐसे टाइप का. तो फॉर ऑब्वियस रीजंस, लव मैरिज और अरेंज मैरिज, इफ यू रियली इंट्रोस्पेक्ट इनटू दिस, आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज समथिंग और एनीथिंग that can define why you should get married or not get married. I think it's the willingness of two people trying to stay together. And it's just an institution.
But marriage is not the best part of it.
I think
maybe
marriage,
they can stay together also.
Yes, but marriage just gives you that, you know,
acceptance.
Yes, acceptance to the society. Again, we are societal creatures. We cannot go out of society. We cannot just go to Mount Rushmore and living in the nostrils of some president. We cannot, right?
Can anyone live there?
I mean, vertically possible नहीं है, gravity खेल जाएगा, but anyway, that's not the case. But yeah, I think the willingness of staying together. The successful marriages I have seen is like they fight like cats and dogs, but at the end of the day, they know that these fights, these scenarios of, you know, this freak shows, this can only happen with that person. That's, I think, what love is for them. And I have cracked this much. I am just a noob in this field. I think you should.
Sure, everyone is learning to live with maybe themselves sometimes, and sometimes maybe with the others also. Sometimes in hostels, maybe. Sometimes in marriages.
Yes.
है ना? When you live alone, it's a totally different school of learning.
Yes.
Yeah, you learn from hit and trial.
Yes.
You learn. There is so much to contemplate. है ना? कि why are you doing this? Is this necessary?
True.
है ना? That is why most of the people, most of the males become minimalist, because they think of things like कि, do we need that? No. Fuck it.
True.
We don't need it.
Obviously, I mean, 400 साल पहले हम लोग तो लड़ाई लड़ रहे थे. We don't have emotions to put on the table. Mostly.
Yes. People have rightly stated that males might not have gotten the world right.
Yes. Definitely. Not might. I think it's a definite thing. We have our own crooked ways to see.
Yes.
And I think the female counterparts of the society is getting somehow reflected that our sense of emotion, our sense of responsibility inside them. I think that happens. I mean, for obvious reasons, शादी तो चलो अच्छी बात है, शादी करनी चाहिए. And I think शादी is the next.
That was not very convincing.
शादी is the next. I feel like evolution, as Darwin साहब stated. अभी कल ही नींद में आए थे भाई साहब, क्या बढ़िया आदमी. But anyway, that's not the case. When Darwin साहब stated कि survival of the fittest, because you have to evolve. I think marriage is the next part of the evolution. You have stayed under the surveillance of your mom, dad. You have been a rebel inside that surveillance. You have stayed alone. You have done every shit in this whole wide world, and then you are coming home to something. Right. I think that's what, to me, marriage का institutional value हो सकता है. That's all I'm gonna say.
Also, I think कि ये जो female counterparts वाली बात तुमने कही कि they might be the missing piece of the puzzle.
Yes.
If male life is a puzzle.
Male life is a puzzle.
Female, if at all, if we haven't sorted it yet. तो females might be the answer to it.
Yes.
है ना? That's what I feel personally. I can agree to it. कि मेरी लाइफ के अंदर जो मिसिंग था, like कलेश, like
That's not very convincing either, man. I mean,
वो सब मुझे अब मेरी लाइफ में कभी महसूस नहीं होती कि अब मेरी लाइफ में कलेश है.
Your life is never eventless per se.
Something it's not eventless. It's very eventful.
It's
very full. Very events.
Wow events.
Very wow events.
Very wow.
है ना? Like I'll just tell you this one thing कि I have lived with my fridge.
Okay.
My washing machine.
By the way, guys, if you wonder why fridge is coming again,
it was my fridge which was bugged last night, and we had to get a new fridge, bro. है ना? And since last 7 months, I think 7 to 6 months,
okay,
the fridge has been getting problems.
Okay.
ठीक है. ये भाई पूरे 10 साल से खराब नहीं हुआ भाई ये.
Okay.
ठीक है.
Okay.
But since this thing, this 7 months, it has been getting problems. And
okay.
Problems नहीं कि डेंट पड़ गया, ये कुछ हो गया. नहीं. Problem माने बंद.
हाँ, मतलब basically it has food inside it now.
Yes.
जो पहले नहीं होता था.
पहले कुछ और था भाई. ठीक है. But it is so fucked. अभी वो जो मैंने अपनी मेहनत की कमाई से खरीदा था, वो गया 1,000 रुपए में ब्रो. 1,000 1,000 रुपए में तू ले सकता था भाई.
You could have just fixed it. What would I do? नहीं तेरा तो
ठीक करवा लेता. 1,500 रुपए में ठीक होता था वो.
हाँ, true.
ठीक है ना? वो मतलब सिंपल मशीन है ना. 1,500 रुपए में ठीक हो जाता है. 1,000 रुपए का अभी बिका है वो. ठीक है, क्योंकि इट वाज नॉट वर्किंग. वर्किंग भी होता तो भी इतने का जाता. 500 रुपए एक्स्ट्रा लग जाते. ठीक है. Fucking 10 years.
Okay.
I lived with that fridge. Absolutely no problem.
For pain.
6 months I live with my wife and the fridge is exchanged.
Pain.
For 1,000 rupees. And next I tell you what will get replaced. Not me.
Okay.
Stop looking at me
Next
like
episode on marriage breakers.
Next, what will be replaced is our double bed. And the third thing,
what do you
which will get replaced is
okay,
the washing machine.
Okay,
all the
cool,
things
cool.
which I have accumulated from
so,
my thing.
So I would like to ask you a couple of questions.
Yes.
What is the replacement of a double bed?
A new double bed.
Yes, I mean, was it a queen size or king size? Queen size को replace
I have
king
fucking
size.
no idea what a queen size bed is. Which one is bigger, the king size or a queen?
King.
तो
रिप्लेसमेंट में बेटर आना चाहिए ना भाई. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम
भाई गद्दा पता है तेरे को कितने का आता है?
हाँ,
15,000 का गद्दा. And we have bought गद्दा already.
Okay, so you just take a same size bed, man. It's fine. It's totally fine.
हाँ, but it will be a newer one ना.
And tell me, what is the color of your washing machine? I mean,
it's white and maroon.
She doesn't like it.
Yes.
Yeah, boy.
And how do I know this?
Okay.
How do I know this?
Okay,
I'll tell you.
okay.
Yesterday we were looking up for a fridge
Okay.
and everyone loved the maroon one.
Okay.
But this lady got a blue fridge. A blue one, bro. She could have gotten a silver one, the steel one,
Okay,
the steel
okay.
finish one. But she bought
Yeah,
a
blue is
blue
a nice color.
fridge with the flowers on it.
Not the flowers.
So, bro, this is difficult. Marriages are difficult. That is why
Yeah, I think that is what.
married people are always sulking, I think.
Yeah, and more challenging. I think we always love a challenge. The male counterparts of the
I
society.
don't know, I
Challenge
don't
मांगता है
know,
मेरे
मेरे को बोरिंग चाहिए भाई लाइफ. मैं नहीं हूँ मेल. ये क्या बात है यार? मेल लाइफ ऐसे करते हैं वैसे. भाई मेरे को बहुत एडवेंचर मिल रहा है. मतलब वो जैसे गीत कहती है ना उसमें हैप्पी मेट में, है ना, गीत कहती है कि भाई मेरे को नई एडवेंचर चाहिए. बाबा जी मेरा लाइफ सिंपल कर दो, बोरिंग कर दो. मेरा लाइफ बोरिंग कर दो.
हाँ, वो अभी बोलने के लिए है ना, like you exercise that boring life every single day, like मजा नहीं आ रहा.
And then do what?
हाँ हाँ.
And then do what?
हाँ, that's what why you stayed like a bachelor's for a very bachelor's life. You have led a bachelor's life.
Bachelor life is
full of adventures, man.
it's very boring and it's very relaxing. क्योंकि you don't have to do anything ना.
It's boring on my accord because I want it to be boring.
Mhm.
See, मैं पढ़ा हुआ हूँ because मैं पढ़ा रहना चाहता हूँ.
Mhm.
Bachelor's life is good because I can do things on my accord. मैं अगर adventure
This
करता हूँ,
guy
adventure
is
कर लेगा.
maybe masturbating for the longest times, है ना, and this is what he loves.
No, I'm not.
Story of every bachelor.
I'm not. Somebody
Bloody
else is. But
masturbators.
anyway, somebody else is. That's not the case.
Not his story, but yeah, very relatable.
Relatable
many
is,
people.
everything is relatable, man. I mean,
maybe.
when two guys talk, it's fucking relatable anyway.
I think.
I mean,
I think so.
I mean but anyway, that's the case. Have you sulked enough, man?
I think so.
Do you want to sulk more?
It was more like not an episode, but a therapy for us.
Yes.
Also, I
yes.
would like to say कि we have improved the quality
Therapy?
from the last episode because we are recording this episode again.
Yeah, I mean, this has turned out somehow turned out to be better.
And तो पिछला वाला जो था उसका ऑडियो पूरा फक था. इसका ऑडियो we are still improving.
Get better.
We are still improving. ठीक है. If you feel कि the quality of audio is not good enough, please tell us. Somehow tell us. Please, my name is Akash. His name is Rajdeep, and you have been listening to
Professors on parole.
Yeah. So that was good sync, man. Good sync. So yeah. See you in another episode. This is episode 1, and
hopefully
heavy.
to many more. Yes.
Yeah. Heavy sign off. Thank you.
Yeah.